One cannot imagine the world and humanity without the books. For the learning of the society, scientists or academicians produce their great work in the form of books. But, to come up with a good book, there are several factors at their end like literature, mathematics, experimentations, programming, and whatnot. The universe has witnessed the great professionals in every field nurtured by these books. So, the value and need of a book even in this era is undoubted. In the era of Internet, where everyone is connected through outcomes of the smart technologies, the experience of reading and learning from an actual book can be made more effective, such that the every aspect which author of the book wants his or her reader to read or learn or experience, can actually be embedded in the book itself with the help of technologically rich gadgets. In this work, we have attempted to transform a book for engineering students and engineering practitioners which involves higher-level mathematics, experimentations etc., by making the use of augmented and virtual reality. Here the reader can directly learn from the author by seeing the video lecture, diagrams or flowcharts in 3D perspective augmented in the book itself. Several experimentations can be performed anywhere without any laboratory with the help of virtual reality. Numerical problems as well as programming for the complex cases can be learned from the author's material augmented in the book itself. The Infinity Knowledge Box provides the author an option to provide the readers with newer learning resources directly in the book without going for printing a newer version every time. All of this to make a book 360. With Book 360 reader can have an enhanced and comprehensive reading and learning experience by understanding everything beyond the text and between the lines. When we read a book, there are several reasons for getting interrupted. When this interruption is because of the technical expectation from some source, it must be fulfilled. Book 360 empowers the reader to find answers to their expectations from the authentic experts and the authors. We attempted to transform one of our own books to Book 360. This is a book titled as Machine Tool Reliability. Here we are demonstrating our work to make this book, Book 360. The first chapter in this book is Reliability Engineering. Can a student start learning by reading the book along with viewing the video lecture from the author? Yes. Taking your mobile or tablet camera near to this logo will get you to a video lecture where the author is teaching you the same content written on that page. Like this.
Good morning. Today we will discuss about the introduction to reliability engineering. Let us see what is reliability. Reliability.
Now as the student has seen the video lecture, he or she can move forward to the further content. Here, in the book, concepts like life data analysis are covered. In this section of SMU applications, diagram of one valve is given. Can we visualize that diagram for its working? Yes. Just pan your camera of mobile phone or tablet to this logo of AR and it takes you to the fantastic visualization. Like this.
When cold water comes from inlet, it gets directed to the cold outlet with the help of position of piston and ports. When hot water starts coming inside and touch the SMA spring, it gets retracted and the flow of hot water gets deflected to other port.
Going further, the author here has described one experimentation setup for life data collection using accelerated life testing. Although the description is really good, but having hand-on with the setup will be really a great learning. Can we do that without having or going to any laboratory? Yes. Virtual reality can help you in this.
Welcome to Reliability Engineering Lab. This is a laboratory setup for performing life tests of shape memory alloy springs. Here you can perform accelerated life test of SMA springs by running several same springs to their failure. On the computer screen, displacement as spring actuation can be viewed along with the collected failure dataset. A programmable power supply is used here to supply voltage for actuation of the spring.
After the data collection process, the author has explained here the parameter estimation process. Although author has properly explained the mathematical part involved in it, solving the numerical problems is important. Author has recommended to use computer programs for this. Can this book teach us coding? Why not? Just take your camera to this logo, and see.
Hello. Here I will be explaining the code generation for maximum likelihood estimation using Python. This is the GUI for PyCharm IDE. This way, we can import some Python libraries in our program. Here, we have importing a library named as NumPy. NumPy is the fundamental package for scientific computing with Python. Here, in line number 06, we have written the class named as ML.
Great. Here the chapter is about to end, so, the author has provided some of the numerical questions to exercise. You can get the help in solving these exercise questions with the help of AR, where the author will help you to understand and solve the given question. The chapter ends here. The questions provided ends here. But, does the learning end here? No. Reader can access to this logo Infinity Knowledge Box and view or download the recently uploaded newer content like more questions, tutorials, videos etc. from the author. Using this feature, author can connect to the reader even after he has completed writing the book, instead of coming with newer and more versions of the book. Unless and until needed, the updates can be provided with this infinite resource box. Like this. Our attempt to provide a bridge in between what the author wants his readers to read and understand and what the reader expects from author apart a book is what we call Book 360. Thank you.